This lesson will be relatively unimportant, as we'll learn how to build tables and filters by just using your keyboard, and how to navigate and use your tables and filters by using just your keyboards. So let's say that we want to create a table for these entire data sets. So what we would do is we would usually press Control Shift and select the entire data set, and we're going to do Alt A T to create filters. And you can see that we've created some drop-down menus, and how you would use them is once you click them, you can see, for example, if you click the items, we have a checkbox on the left, and whatever you select, if you only want to select green tea, if you press OK, it only filters the items related to green tea. I'm pretty sure that most of you are already used to this function. And how you would do that with your keyboard is that you use the Alt key and the down arrow key. And now you can move around by using your keyboard. Also, if you want to select or unselect these items, you use the spacebar. So if you use a spacebar, you can check, uncheck, and press Enter, and it's going to filter all of your tables. Same for the dates as well. You can move around. You can select whether to display it oldest to newest or newest to oldest. And it's just very simple like that. So it was a relatively very simple function, but I did get a lot of questions from my online students. How did you do that when you're doing financial modeling? So I've included this in our Excel 101 course for financial modeling. So if you have any questions about shortcuts, and if you wonder how I did some of the functions maybe shown in our later lectures, please feel free to leave a comment or give us an email, and we'll try to reflect it in our next curriculum when we update our lectures.